development expenditure of around 500,000 euros per year has been worthwhile. Success you can see. Success from which you benefit. Because the manufacturing of original Mercedes-Benz exchange units also benefits from the experience we gather in competition. The original Mercedes-Benz remanufactured engine. It's the first time you're sure to profit when exchanging something. During the next 7 minutes, we'll prove that you can save up to 40% by buying an original Mercedes-Benz remanufactured engine. And we'll show you how our excellent performance on the track has become permanent performance. Let's start at the Mannheim plant. Every year, thousands of 300, 400, 500 and 900 series engines are remanufactured and become original Mercedes-Benz exchange units. More than 500,000 engines since 1949. These remanufactured engines are the ideal basis for maintaining and increasing the value of your fleet. And in most cases, the engine is not even the most expensive item. The only way to recognize one of our remanufactured engines is by its unique Mercedes-Benz identification plate. And what do our customers say? For us at Scheribler, the most important thing is to have the engine on our premises or at the Mercedes dealership as soon as possible. It has to be economical for us and our customers, and the cost-benefit ratio has to be in balance. We buy Mercedes-Benz exchange units because they're available quickly and the quality is the same as for a new one. Back to the Mannheim plant. Let's see how an original Mercedes-Benz remanufactured engine is made. Back among its peers. First of all, the old engine is totally disassembled because we're interested in its individual parts. Waste materials are collected and responsibly recycled. Incidentally, this is all that remains from an old engine, just 1%, because we take environmental protection and recycling seriously. All engine components are carefully cleaned and worn parts are sorted out. All wear and tear parts, such as bearing shells, pistons, liners, seals and drive belts, are automatically replaced with new original Mercedes-Benz components. All other components are individually remanufactured. Old components are remanufactured on the same high-tech machines that are used to produce new parts. The same quality standards apply as for new engines. Because the whole remanufacturing process is based on original quality standards. New manufacturing know-how is immediately transferred and applied to remanufactured engines. Do you remember? This is also unique. Our remanufactured engines are given the same international warranties as our new engines. This is possible thanks to our strict quality control procedures. Every part is minutely examined, even the smallest bolt. Crankshafts are inspected with ultraviolet light that can reveal even microscopically small cracks. The final test. Naturally, on one of the test benches used to check new engines. After a fresh coat of paint, our original remanufactured engines are ready to leave the plant. Efficiency is the key. We've promised you a saving of up to 40%. Here's the proof. You save over 10,000 euros when you purchase this remanufactured engine. And our prices are comparable with those of all our competitors. We can also rebuild your engine individually. With the rebuilding program, your engine keeps its identity. So the engine you receive from us is the one you sent us. This alternative is even cheaper, but it takes some time, since we only change the parts that actually need to be replaced. Daimler Chrysler gives a worldwide warranty of 12 months on these rebuilt engines. The price for a rebuilt engine starts at about 60% of the price of a comparable remanufactured engine. The engine rebuilding program is modular. It includes a basic renewal of your engine and 5 other options for major engine components that are charged for only if they need to be replaced. The engine rebuilding program is the right solution for customers who are looking for a low-cost alternative to a remanufactured engine and who can afford to wait a few days. And if you own an Actros V6 engine, you can save even more money. In Mannheim, we make you fit for the future with our upgrade to Euro 3 norms. You give us your old Euro 2 engine and you get a Euro 3 engine. This exchange pays off after only 50,000 kilometers on toll roads. You're looking for efficiency and advanced technology? Look no further. We've been serving our customers for the last 50 years, and we'll be there for the next 50. Make the right choice. Original Mercedes-Benz remanufactured engines.